When we think of Nordic capitals, Copenhagen and Stockholm usually come to mind, but just across the Baltic Sea lies Helsinki, Finland's capital, a city where East meets West in a quietly captivating way. Helsinki doesn't demand attention, it invites you to discover its blend of modern life and deep connection to nature. Here, world-class design, cozy cafes and sea breezes are part of daily life. For travelers seeking something authentic, Helsinki is a rewarding alternative to its more famous neighbors. The city's rhythm is subtle. Trams glide past neoclassical buildings, and locals embrace the outdoors year-round. Built on a peninsula and surrounded by over 300 islands, Helsinki feels open and full of possibility. Its approachable vibe sets it apart from royal Scandinavian capitals. Centuries under Swedish and Russian rule have left a unique mark on Helsinki's architecture and culture. You'll see echoes of St. Petersburg in its grand squares, but also the minimalist elegance of Nordic design. This blend of influences gives Helsinki its own identity, proud of its past, but always looking forward. Whether you're sipping coffee in a market square, exploring a sea fortress, or relaxing in a sauna, Helsinki quietly captures your heart. It's friendly, safe, and easy to explore, a true slice of Finnish life. If you crave urban sophistication mixed with natural beauty, Helsinki is calling. Join me as we uncover this northern gem. You might just leave with a new favorite city. Our journey begins at Senate Square, Helsinki's grandest public space. Designed in the 1800s by Carl Ludvig Engel, the square was meant to rival St. Petersburg. 4 pastel neoclassical buildings frame the square, but the star is Helsinki Cathedral, its white walls and green domes rising above granite steps. Climbing those steps is a must, rewarding you with panoramic views of the city and harbor. The cathedral's simple interior offers a peaceful contrast to its grand exterior. Around the square you'll find the Government Palace, University of Helsinki, and National Library, pillars of Finnish society. At the center stands a statue of Tsar Alexander II, a nod to Finland's complex history. Senate Square is more than architecture, it's the ceremonial heart of Helsinki, hosting celebrations and markets year-round. In summer, the cathedral steps become a favorite hangout. In winter, the square transforms into a festive Christmas market. Visiting Senate Square is the perfect introduction to Helsinki's history and spirit. It's a place you'll want to return to again and again. Here, the city's past and present come together in one unforgettable space. Just a short ferry ride from Market Square lies Suomenlinna, a UNESCO World Heritage sea fortress. Built by the Swedes in the 1700s, its stone walls and ramparts stretch across 6 islands. Suomenlinna's history is rich. Swedish, Russian, and finally, Finnish hands have shaped it. Explore cannon batteries, tunnels, and the iconic King's Gate, or simply wander the cobblestone paths. Today about 800 people live here, and you'll find cafes, artist studios, and museums, including a real Vesijohto submarine. In summer, locals picnic and swim. In winter, the islands are peaceful and atmospheric. The public ferry runs frequently, offering great views of Helsinki's skyline. Suomenlinna is where history, nature, and daily life blend seamlessly. It's a must-visit for anyone wanting to understand Finland's story. Helsinki is a global design capital, and nowhere is this clearer than in the design district. Spanning 25 streets, it's packed with over 200 creative businesses, boutiques, galleries, and studios. Here you'll find iconic Finnish brands like Marimekko, Iittala, and Artek, alongside up-and-coming designers. The district is a living showcase of Finnish design, functional, simple, and inspired by nature. Don't miss the Design Museum for a crash course in Finland's creative history. For contemporary art, Kiasma Museum is just a short walk away. Its architecture and exhibits are as bold as the city itself. The design district isn't just about shopping, it's about experiencing the creative spirit woven into Helsinki's everyday life. Browse, chat with local makers, and take home a piece of Finnish innovation. Whether you're a design lover or just curious, this neighborhood will inspire you. Helsinki's creative soul is on full display here. It's a must for anyone wanting to understand what makes the city tick. Discover why Helsinki is a world leader in design. At the harbor's edge, Helsinki's Market Square buzzes with life. Under orange tents, vendors sell fresh berries, fish, and Finnish handicrafts, perfect for a quick snack or souvenir. Try fried vendas or creamy salmon soup, and don't miss a cinnamon bun with your coffee. Grab a bench, watch ferries come and go, and soak up the lively atmosphere, but beware the bold seagulls. Next door, Esplanadi Park stretches into the city, lined with linden trees, elegant shops, and inviting cafes. On sunny days, locals fill the park, enjoying music, ice cream, and each other's company. The Esplanadi is Helsinki's living room, a place to stroll, relax, and people watch. At one end stands the historic Capelli restaurant, at the other, the Swedish theater. Walking the Esplanadi is the best way to feel Helsinki's pulse. Together, Market Square and Esplanadi capture the city's relaxed, sophisticated vibe. Don't miss this essential Helsinki experience. To truly understand Finland, you have to experience the sauna. With over 3 million saunas in the country, it's a way of life. Part relaxation, part ritual. In Helsinki, try a public sauna for the real deal. Kotiharju offers a traditional wood-fired experience, while Loili is a modern waterfront icon. The routine is simple: heat up, cool down, maybe even plunge into the Baltic summer or winter. Throw water on hot stones for a burst of steam called Loili. Some use birch twigs for a gentle massage, strange at first, but invigorating. The cycle of heat and cold soothes muscles and clears the mind. Don't be shy, Finns are happy to share their sauna culture. It's a social space, a place to unwind, and a highlight of any Helsinki visit. Whether you're a first-timer or a sauna veteran, you'll leave feeling refreshed. Sauna is more than a tradition, it's the Finnish way to recharge. Try it, and you'll understand why it's so beloved. It's an experience you won't forget. Helsinki's archipelago, over 300 islands, offers a maritime escape just minutes from the city. Public ferries make island hopping easy, especially in summer. Each island has its own character. Suuresari is an open-air museum of rural Finland, perfect for a peaceful stroll. Pilahasaari offers sandy beaches, rocky shores, and public saunas, a taste of Finnish summer cottage life. Lana, once a military outpost, is now a cozy spot for food, drinks, and a sauna with sea views. These islands are where locals relax, swim, and barbecue in summer. Friendly squirrels, quiet forests, and stunning sea views await. Exploring the islands reveals how nature and city life intertwine in Helsinki. It's a refreshing break from sightseeing and a must for any visitor. Whether you want history, nature, or just a picnic by the sea, there's an island for you. The archipelago is an essential part of the Helsinki experience. Discover a new side of the city, one ferry ride at a time. Helsinki's maritime playground is yours to explore. Helsinki transforms with the seasons, each offering its own magic. In summer, the midnight sun bathes the city in endless light, energy fills the streets, and festivals, concerts, and outdoor life thrive. Rent a bike, picnic on an island, or swim at Hietaniemi Beach. Summer days seem to last forever. Midsummer, or Johannes, is celebrated with bonfires and folk dancing, connecting city life to ancient traditions. Winter brings a different charm. Snow blankets the city, and twinkling lights create a cozy, festive atmosphere. Senate Square's Christmas market is a highlight, with hot glogi and handmade gifts. Locals embrace the cold, walking, skiing, or skating on frozen sea, and of course warming up in a sauna. With the right layers, winter is just as inviting as summer. Helsinki's beauty shines in every season, from bright summer nights to snowy winter days. The city's rhythm changes, but its spirit remains. Whether you visit in June or January, you'll find something unforgettable. Helsinki is a city for all seasons. Experience its magic, no matter when you come. Why choose Helsinki? It's the perfect blend of old and new, city energy and natural calm. Here, neoclassical squares meet cutting-edge art museums, and history sits side by side with innovation. Nature is always close. Parks, islands, and the sea are never far away. You can sip coffee in a trendy cafe, then walk in a quiet forest just minutes later. Helsinki feels authentic and personal, never overwhelmed by crowds. Finns are warm, welcoming, and proud to share their culture. The city is safe, clean, and easy to explore. For the curious traveler, Helsinki rewards those who slow down and savor the details. From summer berries to winter saunas, the city offers simple, profound experiences. Helsinki doesn't just show you its sights, it shares its soul.